Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Anthony and I will be teaching you Python. The first thing I will show you is the tools that we will be using in this tutorial. So head over to jetbrains.com. We will be using PyCharm Community Edition. There is a professional edition if you'd like to pay for that, but the community edition is good for now. So download it. In the meantime, head over to python.org, download the latest version of Python. And now we wait for these to download. Now that they're done, go ahead and open them and we will start the setup. So this is the Python installation wizard. You want to click this, add python.exe to path. This will be important for later. And install now. There you go. Once the setup was successful, you can go ahead and close this. And we can start the PyCharm community setup. So this setup wizard will pop up. You want to click next. Over here, if you have an older version of PyCharm, it will ask if you want to uninstall it. You can go ahead and do that if you want or not. I will keep mine for personal reasons. Choose here the destination folder, but you can go ahead and keep it just as it is. Here you want to click this option to add it to the path. Again, this will be useful for later on. You can go ahead and add the desktop shortcut if you want to add it to the desktop. The create associations will be useful. It's more of a quality of life thing more than it is useful. Click install here and we wait. So here, when the setup is complete, you're gonna wanna restart your computer. So I will do it right now and I will see you when it's done. The first time you will open PyCharm, you will be greeted with this screen and this layout. But before I show you how to create a project and start coding with Python, I want to show you the location of the Python terminal that you can use. So it's the local disk C in the program files, and the name of the folder is basically the version that you have installed. So you might have previous versions of Python. We want to be working with the latest one. So the one I'm using in this video is 3.12, so that's the name of the folder. The python.exe is the terminal for Python. And if you go ahead and open it, you can actually start writing Python code inside this terminal. We will be using the PyCharm IDE, but this is just a quick showcase that you can actually use the terminal itself for Python. So the most basic method is print, and we can go ahead and print this line of text, which we call a string. I will be talking about the data types in just a second. And if I hit enter, there we go, hello world. Now, go ahead and close this. You might want to keep in mind the location of the Python terminal. We might have to use that if you're configuring PyCharm for the first time. So go ahead and click on new project. This will be the location of the project. Here, this is the Python version that you're gonna be using. This is an old version of Python that I have, the 3.9. I want to be using this one, the 3.12. If this doesn't show up here, you can go ahead and click browse and try locating the Python terminal that I just showed you where the location should be. That's in case if it didn't pop up here. Click the create a welcome script. So it creates a script where it has a little bit of code. We can immediately start with that. And yeah, that's it. If you're happy with these settings, click on create.